Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese Danish with puff pastry. Start by chilling your work surface and thawing pastry until pliable but cool. Beat cream cheese with sugar, vanilla, and lemon zest until smooth and scoopable. Roll pastry into a rectangle, trim edges, and cut squares. Spoon filling, fold corners towards center, brush with egg wash, and bake until puffed and golden for a tender, layered treat. In this video, I will explain how to make cheese Danish with puff pastry. Whip cream cheese until smooth before adding sugar and flavorings to avoid lumps. Fold in finely grated lemon zest and a splash of vanilla for aromatic balance. If adding fruit, macerate briefly with sugar then drain to prevent soggy bottoms. Chill the filling slightly so it holds shape when dolloped onto cold pastry squares and bakes evenly. In this video, I will help you make cheese Danish with puff pastry. After cutting squares, gently fold corners to form a nest for the filling while keeping seams sealed. Use an egg wash to glue seams and add a glossy finish, then dock edges lightly to control expansion. Bake on a hot sheet for even lift and rotate mid-bake if needed. Cool slightly, then dust with powdered sugar or glaze for shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.